Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's a nice sunny day. We're on the road. We are going to get some work done. So I've been wanting to get a Resonator Delete for a while now. So finally getting the car out. Weather's been a lot better. We're on the road now. Getting ready to head to a shop, local shop, to do a Resonator Delete. So I'll have some video of before and after, what it sounds like, the comparison, just so it's out there and people have something to go by. I'm not purchasing pre-made X-pipe with the Delete. I'm going to the shop. I'm going to keep the factory X, cut the resonators out, weld in same diameter pipe, and I'm going to go that way. So closest to stock, I was going to keep it. The local shop here was able to fit me in on Saturday. So Saturday morning, bright and early, headed to the shop. Then we'll get some sounds coming back. Excited to get it done. Like I said, something I've wanted to do, but just time. Time is everything. Trying to make time to get this car out, do stuff with it. Hopefully this year is a lot better than last year with car cruises and shows and stuff like that. So I'm just hoping to get out more and see people again and get the car scene back together and just have a good time. We lost that last year. So hopefully this year is a lot better. Again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. I love the support. Just something that I'm doing to starting to get into and see where this goes. Videos up. I love messing around with the car. I love messing around with all cars. So it's not just going to be the GT350. I got, my kids' cars that'll be working on, and there's different things, different models. So it's going to be a variety. Plus, most of it's going to be with the 350, but I will cover a broad range, and because I do have 5 different cars. And then my son will be bringing his up when he's deployed. He has a 2020 Challenger RT Hemi, so a car that he's proud of. First new car that he bought. He loves it. So when he heads over, I'll have it for about 6 or 7 months, and we'll see. Maybe there'll be some surprises when he comes back with that one, because when I had his Jeep, he came back to a few surprises with his Jeep. I put a new top on his Jeep. I did some paint correction, car seats. When he came back, we did some fenders and stuff like that when he was on his way back, but did some maintenance work on the motor. So we'll see. I'll get that Challenger up here. I'll get in that seat and we'll do some videos with that, and see what I can do. Maybe I'll be driving into the shop for Resonator Delete. We'll see. I'm sure he'll be happy about that. And here we are. There it is, going in. Oh yeah. So I have to say, it sounds amazing. The videos don't do it justice. When you hear it in person, it's a huge difference. And I just had the resonators cut out. So much noise. Had them cut the resonators out and weld in pipe in its place. So Mighty Muffler, good place to go. They do all custom exhaust work. They do other work on cars also. I believe their main thing is with the exhaust, and they did a clean job. Very impressed with them. I do recommend them. So Kevin and Shawn took care of the Shelby, and I'm happy that I got it done. So very nice. I didn't really think it was going to be that big of a difference, but yeah, good decision. Definitely good decision to get it done. It does magnify the that sound, that lovely sound. You get more of the pops and the gurgles, but you can definitely notice a difference with just starting it up. Very noticeable. So if something you're looking to do, anyway, you know, is going to be good. Whether you go and buy an X pipe and install it yourself, go to a shop, have them do it, just cut out the resonators and weld in. So any way you go, you're going to be pleased with it. But this just sounds amazing. Big difference, especially wide open. That exotic sound. But I do have to say that videos don't do it justice. You really don't get that real sound through the video. You gotta hear it in person. So if you're gonna do it, just go do it and you will be happy with it. So I put together a couple sound clips with the valves open and close, with and without resonators. So just to give you something to go by. But really the video does not do it justice. It is a lot different in person, so I do have to say, get it done. You will be very pleased. Don't wait so long. right, well, once again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in, checking out the channel on the GT350 with the Resonator Delete. You'll definitely be happy whatever way you go. The sound is amazing. If you're hesitant on doing it, just do it. You're gonna love it. So make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care.